Okay, let's take a look at how to find a box plot. And this is attempt 2. My first one's may call in the middle of it. So I already got some numbers written down here. So we're going to want to find a box plot of these. Well, we're going to go over to our calculator and we're going to input those in. So I'll press stat. I'll do enter on edit. And 217.33. So 2 enter, 17 enter, 33 enter. 52 and 47. 52 enter, 47 enter. 17 enter, 18 enter, 23 enter. 51 enter, 43 enter. 120 enter, and 180 enter. Okay, so we got our numbers in there. Now, we're going to exit out, so do a second mode. And it's probably a good idea to press Y equals before you do anything. If you're using your calculator for algebra or so forth, you may have some extra garbage here. I shouldn't say extra garbage. You may have an extra graph, so I'll press clear to clear out whatever's there. And I have 0 on Y2, but that doesn't hurt anything. Okay, then we'll exit out of that. And here's our steps for actually creating a box plot. I'm going to do second, Y equals. I'm going to do enter on 1. Now we want the calculator selected as on, so I'll press enter for on. Then I'm going to down arrow to type. Excuse me. Now we want to choose the one that looks like a box plot. Mine's already selected. It's the 5th one. And how you get to it is you press your right arrow. And once you're flashing cursors on the one that looks like a box plot, that's this one right here, you press enter. Now by default, it should assume L1 here. So when I down arrow to X list, if you don't have L1 here, do second and then 1, and that'll put that. Now frequency should be 1. So if it's not 1, then down arrow to it. And see how the alpha mode's clicking right there? You have to click the alpha button to get out of alpha mode, and then press the number 1. And after you get those selections, then you press zoom. Okay, I'm lying. Second mode. You can do zoom on the older TI-84s. Now I'll press zoom. And we want to choose zoom stat, which I think is number 9. There it is. So you can down arrow to it and press enter on it, or just press number 9, and it'll choose it for you. And there's our box plot. And there's a silly phone again, but I'm done, so that's good.